Paalas na naman sa Buntis. May mga ilang bagay ako maaasikasun today. And kailangan ko talaga siya guys matapos. Bago ako mga nakas eh. Pag nanganak na ako, mas na lang hindi ko siya magagawa. So, huwag kayong gaanong mag-alala kasi nag-iingat naman ako. So, ID lang muna ako, hindi magpatoto ka atin, tapos punta na ako sa aking pupuntahan. Nag-crave ako guys ng inihaw na saging, tapos lalagyan ko ng margarine, tapos white sugar. Bisaya lang ang makaka-relate, diba? Kesa naman magnasunod na, kesa naman mag-ihaw pa ako dun sa uling. Dito na improvise. Luto na yata yan. Medyo hilaw pa. Pwede na tayo. Okay. Tapos, meron ako dito margarine. This is how you do it. Okay. Ito yung napinan ko. Tapos, lagyan natin ng sugar. Dapat kasi may barbecue stick to guys. Kasi wala man tayong barbecue stick. Kaya ito na lang. Yan. Okay. Brings back memories. Childhood memories. Yan. Diba? Ngayon ko lang siya makakain ulit. After 25 years? 30 years. Hindi pala. Mga 25 years siguro. After 25 years, nakain ko ulit siya. It's done.
Hello everyone, welcome to Philippine Vlogs. We are in Wash the Bag today. Also renew my visa extension here in Philippines, 2 months. Pick up on Friday, not Thursday. See everyone use mask, it's not legal yet out. And more stronger rules than any other place. No March riders here because we follow the rules good now. We just open much more. Not everything is open yet. People go to the other side, but traffic now. Military there, I think. Military. Helicopter. Yum, right? Clean again. Okay.
So, nandito ako sa CR. Subok akong tanggalin yung sing-sing. Dahil walang nagsabi sa akin. Wala naman nagsabi sa akin noon na bawal palang mag-jewelry during the operation. Malay ko, bawal akong kalam-alam. And then my friend, Jovelyn, hanggang sa sinabi ng kaibigan ko na bawal ang alahas kapag mga anak. So, hindi ko alam yun. Tapos na-curious ako, sinerch ko sa Google kung ano yung kung ano yung reason bakit bawal. So, pwede pala siyang maging cause ng infection and pwede siyang uminit during the operation at pwedeng masunog yung aking balat at pwede rin magka-skin problem. Basta marami siyang pwedeng mangyari. Kaya pa pinapatanggal nila. So, trinay ko na to sa sabon. Ayaw niya. So, this time, try natin sa oil. Sa oil. Fingers crossed. Matanggal siya guys sa oil. Pag hindi ko alam.
I don't know.
Put more oil. Don't just take the oil in the bowl, from the bowl. No need to.
It's in the bowl.
Yeah. So we try the oil. Let's see if the ring will come out. If not, then I have to cut my finger.
You must go to doctor now.
Oi! Doctor!
Yeah, there's someone so fix.
Hmm.
Maybe it's little hole, what they call it, look like a grow little between the other.
Yeah.
Or is much fat. Are we fat?
You're fat. Ring or finger, which one should be cut?
We can fix it. You come out, try yourself for a scissor to like.
Yeah, let's sit it for a few minutes. So sad, we have no choice. The cooking oil did not work with the ring. So even if it hurts and it's so sad, I have no choice but to ask someone to cut my ring. I'm sorry, sweetheart. I'm just gonna fix it later. This is a promise ring. Sweetheart gave it to me when we celebrated 3 years when we were in Cebu.
And look at Sparky.
But I have no choice, guys, because I've learned from a friend of mine that jewelry is not allowed during labor. So no one tell me that until now.
I think you know that because
No,
you're
I did
talking
not.
about the.
I did not.
Yeah, everyone knows that. Well, I know.
So I'm so sorry. It was very emotional. Putol na siya, guys. It was cut already. I'm sorry, sweetheart.
Sorry to spark yung.
Sorry, Spunky.
It's okay.
Yeah, because I asked with her
Sabi ba?
to choose my ring or my finger. He wanted to choose the ring. And I wanted to cut my finger.
It's joking.
Nah, yeah, I know. What you looking?
The other part, you come.
No! He only cut this. I only asked him to stretch. If he can stretch it out so I can take it off from you. You just have to do like this. Oh. You need to take something here. You only cut. It only looks something was taken out. But no, you just cut it.
Not really, you can fix it in the ring store.
Yeah.